And there it is, up and running, along with a few of my other clocks and novelty clocks. Again, I hope y'all like this video. Please hit the subscribe button. This one I believe is a Lux. I get the two mixed up. A Lux and a Keebler. Actually, that one's anyway, I get two mixed up. You can tell by the winding arbors whether it's a Lux or a Keebler. And that one's a Lux because the winding arbor is at the 9 o'clock position. That one's a Keebler because the winding arbor is at the 6 o'clock position. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that.